My first year selling on Amazon, I did about 80,000 in sales. I was selling used books and I was actually living in my car at the time. But now fast forward 5 years, I've done over $1 million in sales consistently for the last 3 years. And a big part of my business has been selling used books. Selling used books on Amazon is the easiest way to get started. You can see right here. You can see right here, this book's $20. All these books here, somewhere between 10, 20, sometimes we even found $50 profit books today. I'm gonna take you with me. I'm gonna show you how you can make about $400 in just a couple hours. And also, I'm here at wrestling practice right now, so if you guys work a job or you're super busy, you can do this business model too. But the key is you gotta put in hard work. I scanned about probably 1,500 to 2,000 books to get $400 in profit today. So if you put in the work, you can get results. Follow me on this video. Alright, so one of the most important things to do before you go out and source for the day is make sure that you got the database downloaded. So go to database, you'll click on download. This is going to download all the new books on your phone. Even if we have bad Wi-Fi, bad cell connection, it's going to make sure that our phone has all the books on it. That'll take 15 minutes. It's going pretty fast because I got the fast AT&T Wi-Fi today. Alright, so as you guys saw in the city data, in Nashville, a lot of the wealth is on the south side of town. So that's actually where we're at. So we're going to head south to this Goodwill first. Then we're going to go over to this Goodwill. And then years ago, when I was like really hustling with this business back in Nashville, I've been traveling the last few years. I used to go to this library and I was really cool with the guy. His name was Chris. So I'm going to bring him some coffee, see if he's still in there. He used to let me look at the books in the back room. One time I went to the library sale and I called my parents afterwards because I got $1,000 in profit. It was just happenstance. I called the library. I said, hey, do you guys have any books for sale? I said, we're having a big sale tomorrow, but if you want to come today, you can help set up. I went, helped set up. I scanned like over 1,000 books. I left. My car could not fit any more books in there. So I'm forever grateful for Chris. I'm going to go bring him some coffee today. That's a pro tip. Bring your local thrift stores and libraries coffee, and we'll see how it goes. So let's get into it. Alright, this is our first time testing out sport mode. So I got sport mode on right now. I used to drive a fucking Toyota Corolla back in the day. So let's feel this baby out. Woo! Here we go, baby. That's a lot better. That's a lot better than what I'm used to.
A little more power.
But this is a RAV4. If you look in the back, we got the boxes for the books. Back in the day, I used to live in my Toyota Corolla. That's when I started my book business. I went out west. I'm born and raised here in Tennessee. I wanted to see the Grand Canyon. I wanted to see California. So I lived in my car and went and found books at thrift stores, libraries. That's when I started my business. I had no idea my business would take off to like 7 figures plus. And so life is fucking crazy. If you set a vision towards something or you just take massive action, you can achieve results. So the name of the game is to hit up as many thrifts as possible. Like, don't feel discouraged if you go to a thrift store and find nothing. That's not uncommon. Go to the thrift store, put the work in, get the scans in. If you're at a thrift store that sucks, fine, move on to another thrift on another side of town. Go to the library. Keep hitting different areas because I guarantee you everyone in your city isn't hitting up all the areas. So you need to find the areas that are good. So that's what we're doing today. We're going to this first thrift store. There's another one down the road. It's on the wealthy side of town. Maybe somebody already hit it up. Maybe it's not going to be good, but we're not going to stop. We're just going to keep going. And if you put consistent effort in like this, you're going to get results regardless.
A few minutes later.
All right, so we just got kicked out of that location. Pro tip, do not walk in the thrift store with a camera crew following you. So now we're headed 5 minutes down the road. We're going to sneak into this one. And hopefully we will not get kicked out.
Tell them what you said. Ask for what?
Ask for forgiveness, not for permission. That goes for everything, guys. So, all right. Second Goodwill. Hopefully we won't get kicked out of here. We're going to go inside. I'm going to show you guys how to scan fast. Let's go. So as you can see, my total scans are 0. There's a lot of books here. Honestly, I don't think these books look that good, but I'm gonna scan all of them as fast as possible. I'm gonna look up the non-barcode books, and if you put the work in at thrift stores, you can always leave with some profit. So what I'm doing here is I'm turning on speed mode, so speed mode's enabled. This allows me to quickly scan one, do $10 profit first book. Look at that. Boom. $10 profit, $24 profit. That's a good one. $10 profit, $5 profit, $13 profit. Boom. That's money all day. Boom. 35 bucks right there. Just keep fucking scanning. This is a boring work. $16 profit, $7 profit here. That's why you scan the top shelf, baby. $12. E-score's 28. Boom. That's money, baby. We've probably already gotten like $75 worth of profit from a super crappy section. That was hell. I bet my camera guy's bored as hell right now watching me scan. The point of this video is you have to get your scans up.
It got hot all of a sudden. Is it hot in here to you?
Yeah.
Sheesh.
I'm sweating. Take my shirt off. Miami Sellers Conference, come through March 15th through 17th.
We want to be able to do what we want when we want to freaking do it. We just have to put the fucking work in and commit to it now.
That's how you build a massive fucking Amazon business.
Guns like that right there, lift boxes of books. That's all you gotta do. Fill that box up and lift it 10 times. I'm gonna say it again. Access codes, money. Just because, this is a pro tip. With textbooks, you can take the access code out and sell it separately. So you can sell the access code and the textbook on 2 different listings. Now let's look at this. This is true profit right here. There's an e-score 1. Let's see, is this a workbook? Practice book. Let's open this up. So with this, you just want to make sure there's no handwriting at all, because people are actually going to read this and write in it. But this is pretty clean, and I'm going to pay $2 for this book, and it may never sell, but if it does sell, I'll get $35 profit. So I'm going to risk $2 to make $35 all day. Like, if there was a room filled with this book, I would spend $1,000 on this book here, because it has proof of at least one sale over the last 6 months. No FBA offers. I'm gonna send this in FBA, which means I'm going to be the next sale. And so, yeah, money.
I thought you straight set security at first.
No, it's a Sky IQ, it's an app.
That's what you're using.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My buddy made that. Sold it for millions of dollars. $20,000 profit right here.
Hey, Romer, what are you doing?
Making money, you know? Just got out of the library. This place is always good. Like, it always surprises me that there's certain spots that don't have that many books that just have like the most profit. We just went to a Goodwill and I probably scanned 1,000 books there, and we only left with like a half box filled. Sometimes it's worse than that, but find the good spots. If you find spots that have profitable books, you're gonna have a much better time and just make more money and have a better life overall. So keep looking for the good spots. If you go to one spot over and over again and it sucks, stop going to it. And you know, you got to do things like bring coffee, ask for backroom access. You know, if you can get to people's houses, like estate sales or Facebook Marketplace ads, Craigslist ads, the more upstream you can go, the better quality books you have and the more profit you make. So don't give up, keep searching. Books are the best way to get started. So this is just a game. It's finding cheap products and selling them for more on Amazon, and used books are like 100% the best way to get started. They're easy to deal with, easy to label, easy to prep to Amazon. And so, yeah.
Is it true that you found the #1 selling book on Amazon.
Yeah, I did. So I was scanning with Scout IQ today, and I thought it was glitched up because I scanned this book that didn't look like a #1 selling book. What was the name of that dude?
It's in there.
Now I'm disrespecting him. Let's see. Right here. Matthew Perry. This is the #1 selling book today. And that's what happens when people die. Their books go to the top selling books. And so I thought it was a glitch. It wasn't. I don't know what we can sell this for, but we can probably sell it for triple what it usually sells for. It's probably about to sell out. There's only like 2 or 3 other offers at the time. So, boom, baby. So we got all the books here, probably about $400 or $500 in profit. I'm actually coaching wrestling right now, so I'm gonna go to wrestling practice. The kids had no idea that I got all these books from thrift stores and I'm making money. I actually started this business model 5 years ago, and I was coaching wrestling, and wrestling doesn't pay me much at all. I made like $3,000. I made $1,500 5 years ago coaching wrestling, and I was like, I can follow my passion, but I'm not gonna make money doing my passion. So that's actually why I started selling on Amazon. And like I said, the past 3 years, I've done over $1 million in sales. And you know, selling books on Amazon is one way to get started, but that's just a way to get started. I'm actually selling a lot on Amazon doing wholesale. So I'm buying wholesale products, shipping them to a prep center, and selling them for a profit. I'll break that down in another video, but for now, let's keep going.
Quiet as kept, coming in stuff and I'm snatching the belt. Telling me no watch, just look at the time. I am a product of my environment. Been under pressure, now I'm a product. Told me sweat on my shoulders like fire. I got the game on, I got judo. I did it for me, I don't need no kudos. Playing to win, ain't that what it's about? Can't stop, won't stop, I'm en route. I'm claiming what's mine, I'm taking a chance. I'm a mathematician, I'm making it count. I feel like I'm Bozo, I'm getting a second. I'm bringing it back, I'm the man of the house. I'm getting older, I tell them to follow my lead, cause I am the OG now. I'm going up, I keep getting better. They watch me cause I'm a trendsetter. I do it all for the family, I put it all on the line like I got a vendetta. Hit the gas, my foot on the pedal. I'm young, black and successful. I was broke, man, that shit was ridiculous. Made a change cause I got sick of it. I feel like a prophet the more that I reminisce. Everything happened the way I envisioned. I'm highly favored, praise the God. When I'm old and rich, I'ma start me a ministry. I'm a king, it's in my genetics. Taking charge, yeah, I'm energetic.